Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25 inch Android screen with our backup camera that we installed in the M4. That's a trunk handle mount camera, flash mounted. You still can use the trunk handle without any problem. The camera is perfectly mounted here. This BMW came with Harman Kardon sound system and fully loaded with navigation and all the equipment. This is our LG screen. When it's LG screen, it shows HD on the top. It's 1920 resolution. It's super crisp screen. And the car is manual transmission. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic guidelines. Going back to neutral, goes back to the screen. And also we can use the iDrive knob to go to the menus, and also by going to AutoKit you can go to our Apple CarPlay. You can still use the iDrive knob to navigate on Apple CarPlay. That's the Google Maps. And we can go back to the main menu and go to the home and go back to the factory iDrive. As you can see, the car was fully loaded with factory nav, but it didn't come with backup camera. And by holding the menu button, I can go to the ID7. I can go to the Apple CarPlay, can use Spotify. I can't play any songs because of copyright, but it comes with the artwork of each song, and you can see the artworks. You can use Waze or any other apps that Apple CarPlay lets you to play them. And of course I can use Siri. Go to closest McDonald's. By selecting destination, you can simply drive to your destination. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. These LG screen, they're exclusively from 4x4 Shop Canada. The quality of the component and everything is exclusively from us. Whatever you see online, those are all knockoff and with low resolution, with a lower quality. So don't hesitate to give us a call, and we are waiting for your orders. Thank you and have a great day.